Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today we'll discuss the difference and similarities of NetSuite and Zoho Books. NetSuite and Zoho Books are both cloud-based accounting and business management software solutions, but they cater to very different needs and business sizes. Here are some similarities between the two software. Both NetSuite and Zoho Books are fully cloud-based. Both are accessible from anywhere. Everything is hosted online, and there's no need to install software on the computer. Core features include invoicing, billing, bank reconciliation, expense tracking, and financial reporting. Both support integration with other business tools. NetSuite is more suitable for businesses that need deep integrations across complex enterprise tools, while Zoho Books is ideal for small to mid-sized businesses looking for easy connections with popular services and other Zoho products. Last but not the least, both have the capabilities to automate workflows, approvals, and recurring transactions. Key differences between NetSuite and Zoho Books. NetSuite is designed for medium to large enterprises, whereas Zoho Books is best suited for small to medium-sized businesses. NetSuite provides a comprehensive ERP suite covering finance, inventory, CRM, HR, and more. In contrast, Zoho Books focuses primarily on accounting and basic inventory management. NetSuite offers advanced customization capabilities through SuiteScript and SuiteFlow. Zoho Books, on the other hand, allows for basic customization with limited scripting options. NetSuite is enterprise-grade and built for complex operations. Zoho Books is not ideal for large enterprises due to its limited scalability. Implementing NetSuite typically takes weeks to months, while Zoho Books can be set up within a few days to a week. NetSuite tends to have a higher price point, while Zoho Books is known for being more budget-friendly. NetSuite supports multi-subsidiary operations, multiple currencies, and global tax compliance. Zoho Books offers basic international support suitable for simpler setups. And that's a wrap for this video. We hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching.